What's going on, everybody? Stanley Parrish here. Welcome back to the show. I hope you're having a creative day today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the LUT that I created for this music video. This is Stormie Leigh's video for Devil Dog, the official music video. Make sure you go check her out. She has a YouTube channel. Just look her up, Stormie Leigh. Matter of fact, I'll put a link to her video down in the description below for you all to just click on it. You can go straight to it. So if you take the link below, there's a zip file. In that zip file, you're going to find two LUTs. And I'm going to show you, actually, let me just go ahead and just show you the video right quick. And just kind of go through it. Got some issues here. Well, you see it's kind of lagging. Has anybody else been experiencing these awful lagging stuff that's going on in Adobe Premiere? I've read online that a lot of people have been going back to the 2018 version of Premiere, and I'm considering doing the same thing because I don't know what's up with Adobe, man. Y'all need to fix this, man. Fix it ASAP. It's slowing me down. It's slowing down my workflow, okay? So, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what this looks like without the color grade. So let's just go back to the beginning here. And I'm going to select this clip. I'm going to turn off the color grade. You see that's the before right there, right? So I'm just going to play it. All right. Now let's turn the color grade back on. All right, that's after. Before, after. See, it looks more cinematic now. I mean, it looks completely different. Whole lot better. All right, let's keep it going. Here. All right, so this might be a good clip right here. Okay, so that's after, and this is before. So that's before, after, before, after. Man, that looks good. And this LUT was created. Did I use photo? I didn't use Photoshop for this one. No, I created this LUT completely in Adobe Premiere. So there you go. All right, so let's play it back without the LUT. Right here. So that's it without. All right, let's go back. Play it back. Boom. Hit play. Okay, so that's going to be LUT number 1. The next one is going to be when she was outside. Let's see, let's find it here. Right here on the steps. There it is. All right, so let's see what it looks like before. This is before. And this is after. See, I added more of a blue tint to it to give it that nice, cool, mysterious look. Cold and mysterious. All right, so before, after, before, after. I just want to give you guys these. Hopefully you can use them. Also, I want to say thank you for your continued support. Thank you for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers, man. That is big. That is real big, man. I appreciate y'all, man. I can't do this without y'all. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Share this video with all your family and friends. And I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you download the LUTS completely free. The link is down below in the description. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're able to use it. All right. See you on the next one.